You were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone, and I had control in the driver's seat.
Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Roohankit. Today in this video I will be discussing about 10 ways how to practice your growth mindset. But before starting the video, I have a request. Those who haven't subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications from my upcoming videos. And do watch this video till the end because it will going to help you to have a growth mindset in your life. So point number one, or the first way to practice your growth mindset is always prioritize continued learning over knowing it already attitude. Most of us, we are having the attitude that we know everything. If somebody is teaching us, somebody is guiding us, we think that we know everything. Don't tell me. So it acts as a hindrance in our life in further growth. So always prioritize that you have to have continued learning throughout your life. Second way to improve or practice your growth mindset strategy is use your mistakes as an opportunity to grow rather than considering as a self-criticism or a point of shame in front of the others. Many of us feel that whenever we commit a mistake, we become insulted. We are insulted and we criticize us for those mistakes. But no, we don't have to behave like that. We have to learn from our mistakes and think that these mistakes should not be continued in future also. So we always have to learn from our mistakes, and these mistakes are done by us so that we can grow in our life. Third way to practice your growth mindset is reward your efforts and process rather than the outcome. Even though you haven't succeeded in a particular task, in a particular examination, but then also you have to reward your efforts and process so that you can be self-motivated for future. Now, fourth way to practice your growth mindset is acknowledge new ways of thinking. Always try to think in an improved way, in a new way, so that you can become a part of the world. Now, fifth way to practice your growth mindset is make room for something different if possible. Try to do different things. Try to go for different adventures. Take the risk in your life and try to learn many new things in your life. It will help you to grow as an individual. You will become a better version of yourself. Now, sixth way to practice your growth mindset is add a word not yet in your dictionary. Not yet means if you think of something, think that you have not yet achieved it. Think that you have not yet received it. So if you will add this word in your dictionary or in your vocabulary, then you will have a thirst, you will have a desire to achieve that particular thing in your life. The seventh way to practice your growth mindset is add curiosity in the beginner's mind as often as possible. Have you seen small children? They are having a curiosity. They ask too frequent questions. Why they ask? Because their parents or their family members have generated this curiosity in their behavior. They try to answer each and every question of those children. So try to cultivate curiosity in the beginner's mind, the infants, the children, the younger generation, so that they can clear their doubts and you can motivate them and push forward to have a better future in their life. Eighth way to practice your growth mindset is celebrate your growth as well as celebrate the growth of others. If you're celebrating, if you're enjoying your growth, try to enjoy the growth of your colleagues also. Try to enjoy the growth of your workers also. Try to enjoy the growth of your family members also. Don't be partial in enjoying the growth. If you will enjoy the growth of others also, they will be self-motivated. And they will perform in a better way in the future and they will grow as an individual. The ninth way to practice your growth mindset is take stock of all those things in which you have changed a lot from day one to day till now, so that you can come to know about your changes in your personality. In what aspects you have changed, in what aspects you have changed in your life, what you have achieved, which you have not achieved previously. So you will come to know about your growth, about your progress in life. Last but not the least, 10th way to practice your growth mindset is always embrace your imperfections. And always honor the ways you try to do your efforts and hard work on that particular work. Always try to embrace your imperfections and honor all the ways you have tried for that particular thing. It will help you, it will support you mentally that you have at least done some hard work, some effort in that particular work, then also you have not achieved the success. So embrace your imperfection and honor all the hard work and efforts you have put in that particular task. It will motivate you, it will help you to take the task in future again with full motivation, with full confidence. So friends, these were the 10 ways how to practice your growth mindset, how to grow yourself as an individual, how to grow yourself as a better version of yourself, and how to grow yourself as a confident person. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Give me thumbs up if you like this video. Give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.